Good morning, Friday, November 14th, 2025, cooking with Kevin. LiT! Bacon and eggs for breakfast. Yum. Haven't had this in a while. Getting started here. Yum, yum. So, let's pour on the eggs. Scrambled eggs. Bacon. Yeah. Yeah, just keep an eye on the bacon here. It's not quite ready to flip yet, but soon. And the scrambled eggs. Yeah, yum, yum. Mmm. And actually, instead of toast, I'm going to do an English muffin. So, be off camera. I'm going to get this ready to put in the toaster, but not start toasting it yet till the eggs and bacon are a little bit more done. Let's see here. Stir those eggs up a little bit with the spatula. It's a fun word. Spatula. Spatula. Got to be Italian. And let's start flipping the bacon, tocino. Yeah. Now steaks I like medium rare to medium, but bacon, I like it pretty close to well done. I hate undercooked. I mean, I don't like the bacon burnt, but I hate undercooked bacon. Turn up the fire on the huevos here. Get the eggs cooking a little faster there. Yeah. Yo, get some black pepper to put on there, man. There we go. Yeah. And just I'm gonna turn down the heat on the bacon a little bit. Yeah. Bacon always cooks better, I feel like, when you have a bunch of fat from the rest of the bacon. So I usually, if I'm going to make breakfast the next few days, I don't empty out or clean out the pan I cook the bacon in, because I like having that nice pool of bacon fat to cook it in. But these are the first 3 strips of bacon I'm doing. And yeah, huevos are getting close to done. Soon the bacon. I've got the English muffin in the toaster. Yeah, looking forward to breaking this fast. Breakfast with Kevin. LiT! As you can see, bacon is done, eggs are done. I'm gonna drain these and then finish up the toast. Take the bacon, let it drain. Get the other pieces. Yeah, look at that. There we go. And let's do, finish toasting the English muffin. And time to put those English muffins down into the toaster with a nice view of the Salton Sea in the background. Yeah. And here you have it. This breakfast is LiT. Check that out. Yeah, yum, yum. Time to eat. Perfection. Hell yeah. Gonna enjoy my breakfast. And then, not get it all over me. And then I'm going to head to the community cafe and get some coffee and chill. Yeah. So, hell yeah. That was an awesome breakfast. Now it's time to go get some coffee.